Welcome to Chemistry Corner. Today we will discuss Class 12 Electrochemistry chapter multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Standard solution of KNO3 is used to make a salt bridge because option A. Velocity of K plus is greater than that of NO3 minus. Option B. Velocity of NO3 minus is greater than that of K plus. Option C. Velocity of both K plus and NO3 minus are nearly same. Option D. KNO3 is highly soluble in water. Think of children. Yes, the answer is C. Velocity of both K plus and NO3 are nearly same. In salt bridge, only those electrolytes are used where cation and anion of which are same ionic mobility. KCl, ammonium nitrate NH4NO3 and KNO3 due to the same mobility of cation and anion are used in salt bridge. Question number 2. The standard electrode potentials of four elements A, B, C and D are minus 3.05, minus 1.66, minus 0.40 and plus 0.80. The highest chemical reactivity will be exhibited by option A, B, option B is B, option C, C, option D, D. Yes, here the answer is option A. A is the answer. Here the standard potential, that is reduction potential of A is minimum, that is minus 3.05 volt. The standard electrode potential E0 indicates the tendency of a species to be reduced. A more E0 value, more negative E0 value means higher tendency to lose electron. That's why higher activity as a reducing agent. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. E cell and delta G of the reaction both are extensive properties. B option. E cell and delta G of the cell reaction both are intensive property. E cell is an intensive property while delta G naught of a cell reaction is an extensive property. Option D. E cell is an extensive property while delta G of the reaction is intensive property. Here the option C is the correct answer. E cell is an intensive property while delta G is an extensive property. Intensive property is based on the thermodynamics. Intensive means which is dependent on the quantity or mass of the amount of the substance. Extensive means which is dependent on mass of the substance. Next question. An electrochemical cell can behave like an electrolytic cell when option A. E cell is 0, option B. E cell is greater than E external, option C. E external is greater than E cell, option D is E external is equal to E cell. So here E external is greater than E cell. When E external is greater than E cell, the cell becomes electrolytic cell. Then electrical energy is used to perform non-spontaneous chemical reaction. Next question. The positive value of the standard electrode potential of copper 2 plus bar copper indicates that A. This redox couple is a stronger reduction agent than hydrogen bar H2 couple. Option B. This redox couple is a stronger oxidizing agent than hydrogen H plus bar H2 couple. C. Copper can displace hydrogen from acids. D. None of the above. So answer is this redox couple is a stronger oxidizing agent than H plus bar H2. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. In an electrochemical process, a salt bridge is used as option A as a reducing agent, option B as an oxidizing agent, option C to complete the circuit so that current can flow, D option none of these. Here the answer is to complete the circuit so that current can flow. The function of the salt bridge in electrochemical cell is to keep electrical neutrality in the solution by providing an electrical contact between both sides of the galvanic cell without any mixing of the solution. So option C is the correct, to complete the circuit so that current can flow. Next question. Which of the following is correct for spontaneity of the cell? Option A, delta G naught is equal to negative, E naught is positive. Option B, delta G naught is positive, E naught is 0. Option C, delta G naught is negative and E naught is 0. Option D, delta G naught is positive and E naught is negative. So here for spontaneity already we know delta G naught must be negative. So already we know the formula delta G naught is equal to minus N of E naught cell. So if E naught cell is positive, then only delta G naught will come out as a negative. So here answer A is the correct answer. That is delta G naught is negative and E naught is positive. Thank you children.